This niche is on fire right now. Car evolution content is pulling in millions of views for at least one creator already, and it's working in. Just take a look at this TikTok page. What if I told you that a channel with 127.4 thousand followers just by creating simple car evolution videos? Even crazier, a handful of shorts crossed millions of views. The best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced editing skills to make videos like these. Stay till the end of this video because I'm breaking down the entire step-by-step process to make these yourself. Step 1. Generate the background scene. Let's start by creating the environment. Open ChatGPT and go to the GPT section. Search for a car evolution. I type car evolution and click generator. Open first point and hit enter. So there are two sections you'll see on screen. We're kicking things off with the first one, which is all about setting up our highway scene. Click into it, and from there, just choose the environment that catches your eye. You'll get multiple scene styles such as highways, city roads, countryside roads, mountain routes, desert roads, and more. Pick the one that matches your video style. Copy the you like scene and paste again GPT. Hit generate. Now watch this. The GPT is about to drop several detailed prompt options for you. Scroll through them, pick your favorite, and just copy that one. Don't overthink it, just go with whatever feels right. Step 2. Create the scene image. Open up Google Flow next and set it to image generation mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, 9:16. Select Model Nano Banana Pro. Then paste the highway prompt into the box and click generate. It only takes a few moments before you're left with a clean cinematic background image. Step 3. Generate car evolution. Prompts. Switch back over to ChatGPT. From here, ask it to put together a car evolution sequence, and GPT will multiple car brands options. You can choose whatever vehicle you want. I'm going to use Rolls-Royce for this walkthrough. Now you'll have different Rolls-Royce models to choose from. I'm going with the first option, the Rolls-Royce Phantom. 1925 to present. The GPT will come back with several image prompts, one for each generation of the car, plus a transition prompt for the video. Copy the first image prompt. Step 4. Create every car generation. Go back to Google Flow. AI, select the highway background image you generated earlier, and use the add to prompt option so that background stays consistent throughout. Paste in the first generation prompt and generate the image. Once that's done, take this newly generated image and use it as the reference for the next generation. Now just rinse and repeat for every single model in the lineup. That's the secret to keeping the lighting, angle, and environment looking consistent the whole way through. You can show a quick time lapse here. Step 5. Turn images into smooth videos. Now switch Google Flow over to video mode. Set the previous image as your starting frame and the next image as the ending frame. Then go back to GPT and copy the car evolution video prompt. Return to Google Flow AI, paste in the transition prompt, and hit generate. Go ahead and generate the animation. First animation clip is ready. Continue this process for every remaining pair of images until the full evolution sequence has been generated. Download for all clips step by step. Step 6. Final editing import. All your clips into your favorite editing software. Arrange them in chronological order. These small details make a huge difference in watch time. Once everything is ready, export the video in high quality. That's it. You've created a professional-looking car evolution video that has the potential to grab attention in both shorts and long-form content. If this helped you out even a little, smash that subscribe button. There's a lot more AI content creation stuff coming that actually works, not just theory. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.